In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make faceless videos with HeyGen. We'll start right at your browser, open a new tab, and head to Google. In the search bar, type HeyGen and press Enter. From the results, click the official HeyGen website to go straight to the platform. This gets you into the workspace where you'll build your faceless video from start to finish. Once you're in, look for the new video option and click it. This opens a fresh project so you can set everything up cleanly. Next, choose Create in AI Studio. Think of AI Studio as your production hub. You'll see a canvas in the middle, controls around it, and panels where you'll add your script and customize visuals. By default, you might see an avatar placed on the canvas. Since we're making a faceless video, select that avatar and press Backspace or Delete on your keyboard to remove it. You should see the canvas clear out, which means your final video will focus on your content, not a talking character. Now shift your attention to the left side panel. This is where you type or paste your script. Add the full narration you want the video to speak. Keep your sentences clear and concise, and consider using short paragraphs or natural line breaks to help the pacing sound smooth. This is also a good moment to double-check spelling, names, and any technical terms so the voiceover sounds accurate. With your script in place, let's make it more accessible and engaging by adding captions. On the right sidebar, find the Captions option and click it to enable captions for your video. Once captions are on, choose a caption style that matches your brand or the tone of your content. Prioritize readability. Pick a font that's easy on the eyes, select a text size that's visible on both mobile and desktop, and use colors with good contrast against your background. If your style options include background boxes or highlights, a subtle semi-transparent box can dramatically improve readability without distracting from the visuals. You can also adjust alignment and placement so the text doesn't cover important parts of your footage or graphics. When everything looks and reads the way you want, you're ready to create the final product. Click Generate to render your video. Rendering time can vary depending on length and styling, so give it a moment. After it finishes, play it back to confirm the script sounds natural, the captions are timed well, and the overall look matches your vision. And that's it. You searched for HeyGen, started a new video in AI Studio, removed the avatar for a truly faceless style, added your script, turned on captions, chose a clean caption design, and generated your finished video.